problem. Okay, suppose consider an inclined plane of inclination of 30 degrees. Okay, so from that, what did I do there? From the inclined plane, a solid sphere having the mass m and radius r, which is projected with a velocity of v is equal to 2 meter per second. 2 meter per second. Let's take the height of the inclined plane is the h and length of the plane would be L. This is a solid sphere. What sphere? This is nothing but a solid sphere, which is projected with a velocity of 2 meters per second from the bottom of an inclined plane like this. Then find the maximum distance traveled on a inclined plane. Then find the maximum distance, the maximum distance traveled by the solid sphere on the inclined plane, as shown in figure. Okay, right? It's a solid sphere hai beta. Find the maximum distance it can be traveled on the inclined plane when it is projected with a velocity of 2 meters per second. Is it clear? How much maximum distance it could be traveled? You don't know. When it is projected with a velocity of 2 meters per second. So, how much maximum distance it could be traveled? You don't know. That is, we should have to calculate now. Okay, okay. So, apply the law of conservation of momentum here, beta. What is the law of conservation of energy? When it is coming to on the horizontal plane, it has a two types of the energies. First one is translational kinetic energy. It has a two types of the kinetic energies. First one translational kinetic energy, and second one is a rotational kinetic energy. It has a two types of energies. First one is translational kinetic energy, and second one is a rotational kinetic energy. Therefore, the total energy of the system can be written as, what is that? Total initial energy of the system can be written as, what is that? TEI is equal to half mvc square into 1 plus k square upon r square. Okay, k square upon r square. When it has to reach at this point, here it has only potential energy, P is equal to, what is that? mg h को बराबर है, ठीक है? That is equal to final energy, that is equal to TE final को बराबर है, that is half m vc square into 1 plus, what is the k square upon r square value of a solid sphere? For solid sphere, moment of inertia of the solid sphere can be written as, what is the moment of inertia of the solid sphere? I is equal to 2 by 5 mr square is equal to mk square का बराबर है. On both sides mm gets cancelled out. K square upon r square is equal to, what is the value? 2 by 5. This is the value of k square upon r square here, beta. That is equal to 2 by 5, which is equal to mgh को बराबर है. Okay. On both sides, what would be gets cancelled out? Mm gets cancelled out. Vc square by 2 into 7 by 5, which is equal to gh. At what height it would be has to reach h value है बेटा, h value दिए. Okay, what is the value of h? So we have to calculate the value of h in the form of L. From this triangle, it is very clear that sin 30 is equal to, what is sin 30? Sin 30 is equal to h upon L. Okay, what is the h value? L is equal to h upon sin 30 है बेटा. sin 30 value 1 by 2, h upon 1 by 2, that is equal to 2h. L is equal to 2h है बेटा, ठीक है. L is equal to 2h. First we should have to calculate the value of h from this. That is equal to 7 Vc square upon 10 into G is equal to h. 7 into Vc value was given 2 meter per second, that is called 4 upon 10 into 10 is equal to h. 28 means 0.28 meters. This is the value of h. Okay, this is the value of h. That is the value of h. Now we should have to calculate what is the length, at what distance it would be traveled, at what maximum height it would be traveled, at what maximum distance would be traveled on the inclined plane. That is, what is the L? L is equal to 2 into h. Is it clear? L is equal to 2 into what is the value of h? 0.28. That is, L is equal to 0.56 meters. So how much maximum distance it could be traveled on an inclined plane? L is equal to 0.56 meters. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? बोलो, बहुत आसान है ना प्रॉब्लम. लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी अप्लाई करना पड़ता है, वो जेई मेंस का प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है, नोट करो. नेक्स्ट और एक प्रॉब्लम देखो बेटा. सपोज कंसिडर एन इंक्लाइन प्लेन नहीं है, वो कर्व्ड प्लेन है. कर्व्ड प्लेन ऐसे, दिस इज एन कर्व्ड प्लेन. कर्व प्लेन, नॉट इंक्लाइन प्लेन है, दिस कर्व प्लेन है ऐसे. ओके, सपोज कंसिडर एन कर्व प्लेन. दिस एन कर्व प्लेन. The curve would be like is there. This is a curved plane. Okay. This is a curved plane है बेटा. This is a curved plane. Okay. A solid sphere having the mass m and radius r is projected like this. It has a mass m and radius r. This is a solid sphere नहीं बेटा, hollow sphere ले. Hollow sphere having the mass m and radius r, which is projected with a velocity of 3 meter per second. A hollow sphere is projected with a velocity of 3 meter per second on a curved surface. So how much amount of the maximum height it could be arises on a curved surface? How much amount of the maximum height it could be arises? It will be rises on the curved surface. This is also JE problem. It is also JE problem है बेटा. JE problem. Find the what maximum height the hollow sphere is reaches on a curved surface. Find the what maximum height, h max, it could be reached. It could be reached on curved surface. Curved surface as shown in figure. As shown in figure. Okay. So we have to apply what is that law of conservation of energy only in this case also. What is the law of conservation of energy? Initial total energy is equal to TEI is equal to TEF है बेटा. What is the TEI? TEI is equal to half m Vc square into 1 plus k square upon r square. K square upon r square is equal to mgh. Is it clear? But the body was given here hollow sphere. So what is the moment of inertia of the hollow sphere? I hollow sphere is equal to what is that? 2 by 3 mr square. That would be equal to mk square here, which is equal to mk square. On both sides mm will be gets cancelled out. K square upon r square is equal to 2 by T. Is it clear? So this value substitute in the above equation, what you will get, see, of m into Vc square 1 plus 2 by 3, which is equal to mgh. mgh on both sides, mm will get cancelled out. We have to calculate the value of h beta. What is the value of h? Dekho, this is a Vc square by 2. What is that? Vc square by 2 into this is a 5 by 3. 5 by 3, that is equal to gh. That is called 5 Vc square by 6. 5 Vc square upon 6, which is equal to gh. So what is the value of h? H is equal to 5 Vc square upon 6. Therefore, the value of h would be is equal to 5 into Vc was given 3 square, 3 square upon 6. Therefore, h is equal to 5 into 3 upon 6 है बेटा. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6 है. That is equal to h is equal to कितना? We have to miss one term है. Into g miss हो गया इधर देखो. Into g value 10 ले. Okay, that is called h is equal to 15 upon 20 meters. So इतने height it would be arises on a curved surface. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? This much height it could be reaches a curved surface. Okay, is it clear or not? Yes, sir. Okay, note down. बहुत आसान प्रॉब्लम है. Okay, dear students, today what did I teach in that lesson? Do you have any doubt? Please ask on a scrolling number. You should unmute yourself and ask the questions. Do you have any doubts on the concept of today class? Okay. Thank you.